How to fix Firestick remote app not working. All right, so all you need to do is make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. That is, your phone and Amazon Fire TV stick must be on the same network. So make sure you're actually on the same Wi-Fi name. Now, the next thing you can do is to restart the device. That's restarting the Fire Stick. So restart your Fire Stick by unplugging it for 30 seconds, leaving it, and then plugging it back in. And then you could also try manually connecting using the IP address. So if you can't find the app on your Fire Stick, you could just go into settings, My Fire TV, about, and then move into network, and then enter the IP address for your Wi-Fi. All right, and then on the app, you can now enter the IP address manually. Just type it in. Now the next thing is reconnecting the app. So open up the app, select Firestick, enter the 4-digit code shown on your TV. If no code appears, then the connection is bad or faulty. And also turn off any VPN you're using. So if your phone or Fire Stick is actually using a VPN, please turn it off. It will block the connection. So make sure you turn it off on both devices. And then also check for updates to update the application if there are any. And then you can also reinstall the app. So go to the Play Store, update the app, or uninstall and then reinstall it again. And that way it should work. Also try to fix up the network. That's head into settings, network, forget Wi-Fi, and then reconnect again. That should fix your issue.